the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equals to 1 meets the axis of y and axis of x at a and b respectively. The line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equals to 1 meets the axis of y and axis of x at a and b respectively. A square ABCD is constructed. A square ABCD is constructed on the line segment AB away from the origin. Away from the origin. Then the coordinates of the vertex of the square. Then the coordinate of the vertex of the square farthest from the origin are. We'll draw the diagram first. So this is x-axis and this one is y-axis. The line is x by 3, x-intercept is 3 and y-intercept is 4. Just 1 second. Okay. X-intercept is 3, therefore 3 comma 0. Y-intercept is 0 comma 4. So the line intersect the y-axis at A, therefore this is A, x-axis at B, x-axis at B. Respectively, a square ABCD is constructed. AB, the square is constructed. ABCD is constructed. So this is the square. So the square ABCD is constructed. AB, this is C, so this one is D. So square means all the angles are 90 degrees. All are right angles. All are right angles. So here this angle is 90 degrees. And let this angle be theta. So if this angle is theta, then what would be this angle? This is 90 plus theta, this is 90 minus theta. Now this is 90 minus theta and this one is 90. What is this angle? Total is 180, straight line. Therefore this, when this will be 180, if this is theta. This is the construction. Now this one is theta and this angle is 90. This angle will be 90 minus theta. This angle will be 90 minus theta. Now what is the length of the side of the square, that is AB length? What is AB length? The length of AB is equal to distance formula, that is 3 square plus 4 square, that is 25, that is 5. This AB length is 5, therefore it is a square, therefore all the lengths are equal, therefore 5. Now what we need to do is, the question is what, from the origin the coordinates of the vertex, which one is from origin? From this origin, which vertex is the maximum distance, that is farthest, means either C or D. So we need to find, our job is to find coordinates of C and coordinates of D. Then from these C and D, which distance, which coordinate distance is greatest, we need to find, maximum we need to find. So for that one, you drop the perpendicular from C on this x-axis. This is M, this angle is 90 degrees, and from here, from D, you drop the perpendicular on y-axis. From D also you drop the perpendicular on y-axis. So this is 90 minus theta, we drop the perpendicular, this is 90. This angle will be what? 90 plus theta. Sorry, 90 minus, this is theta, sorry, theta. Here also this is theta, this is 90 this is 90, this is 90 minus theta, this is 90 minus theta. This is the construction. So from this construction, we need to find the coordinates of C and coordinates of D. So how to find the coordinates of C and D? So this distance is 3 units. We need this distance, BM distance. To find BM distance, we will use this right angle triangle. From right angle triangle OAB, we can write sin theta cos theta values. From right triangle OAB, that is from this right angle triangle OAB, we can write sin theta value. Sin theta is equals to what? This distance is 4 by 5. And cos theta is equals to this 3 by 5. Now find C coordinates and D coordinates. How to find the C coordinates? C coordinates are what? OM distance. OM distance is x coordinate of C. CM distance is y coordinate of C. Distance. How to find OM distance? OB is 3 units. BM distance and CM distance we need to find. From this right angle triangle, if you find BM and CM distance, then our job is over. So how to find BM distance? BM involves in which trigonometric ratio? Cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So from right triangle BMC, cos of 90 minus theta is equals to BM by this hypotenuse, that is 5. That is BM is equals to sin theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, 5 into sin theta. What is sin theta? From here 4 by 5, that is 5 into 4 by 5. Therefore 5 cancel 4. So BM distance is equal to what? 4. Therefore OB distance is 3 and 4. Therefore this OM distance is equals to what? 7. Therefore x coordinate of C 7. Similarly y coordinate. To find the y coordinate, we need to use this one, that is sin theta. Opposite side contains in sin theta. Sin theta is equals to what? MC by 5. That is MC is equals to 5 cos theta. That is equals to 5 into cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. That is 3. Therefore 7 comma 3. The coordinates of C are 7 comma 3. So this is the method actually. Now similarly use this right angle triangle. This is M, this one is N. So from this right angle triangle find D coordinates. Coordinates of D are what? ND, this distance is equals to x coordinate and ON distance is equal to y coordinate. Therefore coordinates of D are ND distance comma, ND distance is x coordinate, y coordinate is what? ON distance, that is OA plus AN distance. That is coordinates of D are what? ND comma OA plus AN. This OA is equals to what? This OA is equals to, this is 3 units, this is 4 units plus AN. Means to find the coordinates of D, our job is to find what? ND distance and AN distance. Similarly use in this right angle triangle, this is 90 minus theta, use sin theta and cos theta in this triangle, you will get the coordinates of D. Therefore coordinates of D are what? 4 comma 7. I will not start that algebra part. Same procedure as this one. here 4 comma 7, you will get 4 comma 7. Now distance from origin to 4 comma 7, distance from origin to 7 comma 3, you find which one is the farthest. Okay, so you calculate distance from origin to 4 comma 7 will be the farthest. I will not sort the algebra out, that is distance formula. Use the distance formula. Distance from origin to 7 comma 3 sorry, distance from origin to 7 comma 3, you calculate distance from origin to 4 comma c. So distance from origin to 4 comma c will be greatest, therefore answer is what? 4 comma 7.